Hello friends, welcome again. This is Rajan. I hope you are doing great. So the markets have been little brutal to us. I did book a loss today in a stock called Lincoln Pharma. The total deployed capital was around 6 lakhs. Loss that I incurred is around 92,000 so far. Yes, that is around 12% of my capital, right? And let me just explain you where I entered, why I put a stop loss of more than 12%. I'll just explain you everything in detail. Please make sure to like this video and also subscribe to this channel. Hello friends, so this is the Lincoln chart, Lincoln Pharma chart in weekly time frame. As you can see here, there has been major two resistance in the past for the Lincoln Pharma chart. 2018 September it was forming, it was facing a resistance, and then again 2016 January it was forming and facing a major resistance at this price of 287, and again third time there was a try in the month of May 2021. The first time it got rejected, the bulls again came back again. It just broke out of the trend line, which was a good news, and that is exactly when I put this stock on the watch list because it has a lot of potential. It has come out of a major trend line that has been forming since when 2016, correct? So that is a good news. So whenever you find a pattern breaking out of a huge pattern, that's a good news, because the majority of the time when the trend line is broken out of a huge pattern, it just means that the bulls are here, and predominantly the bulls will be there for at least some time when you trade. So I cannot tell you how long they'll be there, but it's just an assumption that okay, these guys are going to be here for a while. Okay, so it's our job to make use of that. So basically what happened here is my entry point was quite late, but that is why I also adjusted my position sizing. Okay, so basically my entry was around 380. This is the place. So it was forming, there was some kind of a contraction going on in this area, and I thought okay, this would be a good place for me to enter around 380. Okay, so this is where I enter, but it was quite high. I should have entered here, or I should have waited for the stock to come at this trend line, but I entered here and I made a few changes. Okay, here what saved me is my position sizing. So generally, if you looked at my previous trade, my capital allocation was 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs, 25 lakhs, 35 lakhs, right? In this particular trade I did not invest much, mainly because of my conviction to this setup. I knew that okay, this is a good stock, but I was not very confident. My conviction rate was around, let's say, 6 or 7. So my position sizing for a particular trade is entirely based on my convictions. If I could reason why as to this stock may go, if I could point out 2 or 3 reasons for why this could move, and then I will allocate capital based on that. In this particular trade, one thing saved me, and that is position sizing. If I had invested around 20 lakhs, my loss would be around 3 lakhs, which is 3 times my current loss. So right now the loss is around 85,000 or 90,000, which is fine. Okay, here's the thing. I would have definitely invested around 10 lakhs if I was buying here. Okay, so these are small details, guys, which is going to make a huge difference. So this will not be explained in any course or something. This comes only from experience. Okay, so let's say I got a place, I was able to get the price around somewhere around 342. I would have doubled, or at least it would have been around 10 lakhs for sure, because here my risk is minimal. For example, if I'm entering here, I'm not keeping my stop loss here. So my stop loss will either be below this trend line or this swing low. It's always better to keep the stop loss either this one or this one. So it totally depends on you, on how the price action is forming, or you want to adjust the stop loss, there are a lot of things to consider. Generally it is better to keep a wide stop loss, so that is why I adjusted my position sizing. Okay, I know that my entry is not that great because this pattern, it is always better to enter the bottom or after the breakout, right? So if I am entering here, yes, I could keep my stop loss here, but the accuracy of that would be very low, correct? So that is why I keep my stop loss below the trend line or the swing low. So this time I was keeping my stop loss below the trend line, swing low. Okay, and right now what I'm planning is, I have not exited my trade. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to place my stop loss below this particular trend line, and by the way, it looks like that is why I'm making this loss making video. Okay, only if I think that okay, I'm going to close or something like that, then I'll make a video. And this is not just the one loss that have incurred. There are couple of losses that are still in my position, but I'm not making that video because it is nowhere close to my stop loss. So I will make that video when it is around my stop loss, or if I close it with a loss. Okay, until then, no loss video. So this, since it is closer to my stop loss, I'm making this video. Okay, basically I'm planning to keep my stop loss below this, and if it hits, it hits, that's it. I cannot hold this. So right now my loss is around 85,000, right? So it may hit this. My loss would be around 1 lakh or something like that. I will update that in the comment section, and I will pin it. You can come back and check it. Okay, and yes, pretty much it, guys. So as I mentioned, most of them, some people, not most of them, some think that whenever you make a loss, it just means that you made a mistake. So this is not a mistake. I'm not trying to defend my trade over here. The thing is, if you take 10 trades, 1 to 3 trades will hit stop loss for sure. That's how the strategy is designed, right? Not 100% accuracy is not possible for anyone. And yeah, this is what I tell to my students, because they make the right trade and they come up to me and ask me what mistake did I do. So I tell them, what you have done is right, it's just that you have hit a stop loss in this particular trade. So please keep doing the same, and you will see the result. Again, this is just an example of my trade where I was right, just that it's a stop loss hit. Okay, maybe the one thing that I could have done is, maybe I could have waited for it to come here. Whatever, in hindsight we can talk about anything, but this is what it is. I am not sad because of my loss or something like that, as I know that this is just a part of the trading. Okay, yeah, again, whenever I upload a loss video, some beginners come and comment like, you could have used this moving average, or you could have used this indicator to avoid this loss. So there are like hundreds of indicators, guys. So if I just plot all the indicators right now, there will be price reaction at all the prices. Okay, but that doesn't mean that I have to enter there or enter here. So based on my strategy, which I use right now, is price action, it's a stop loss hit, and we just have to move on from this trade. Okay, no point in scrutinizing the entire trade where I gone wrong, or I could have used this oscillator to find out this mistake, or I could have used this EMA or DMA, WMA. See, there are like just in moving averages, there are like 5 to 6 types of moving averages, and in that there are like hundreds of difference of moving averages, like 10, 20, 50, 100. So if I just plot it out in every time frame, the candlestick will react to those, and that's not going to be a reason for me to enter or exit. Okay, my strategy is this, and this is what I'm going to do no matter what. Even if it hits my stop loss, and even if it is going to hit my stop loss for the next 3 days, I'm going to do this because it has given me a lot of profits. Okay, so this is just for the beginners, because the other people who has been trading in the price action, they know it very well, right? So please make sure to like this video, please do not forget. And if you have any questions about this trade or anything, please let me know in the comment section. So thank you so much for watching this video with patience. See you soon again.